Rêve tu apprends-moi. Je rêve
rêve
d'aller
d'aller
à Paris
à Paris
pour la fête,
pour
the festival of the
la
music,
fête
la fête
de la
de la
musique.
musique,
Oui,
la fête de la musique. Now I will explain to you one thing
la
over it. Very important.
yeah.
Je rêve, I'm dreaming, my dream to go to Paris, à Paris pour la fête de la musique, the music festival, la fête de la musique. Now, over here, tell me the la musique. What is this? De la musique. Listen to me very carefully. Fête de la musique. We are saying music festival. That is festival of the music. We call it as festival of the music. So we have a sense of the language. Music festival, I cannot say music fest. No, say wrong. This is wrong. Say for. Pour tirer la langue.
Okay.
Tirer la langue. It is just, I have to understand all the sense of my language. C'est clair. La fête
Yeah.
de la musique. Répétez après moi. La fête. Répétez après moi. La fête
La fête
de la musique.
de la musique.
Yes. La fête de la musique is the music festival. C'est clair. Now, the la,
Okay.
I will explain to you. Have you done articles in terms of the plus la, tu, the plus la, the la? Have you done with this? Tell me yes or no.
No.
Okay, I will explain to you. Now, basically, my teammates, we have three type of articles in French. Why? Three type of articles in French. Why? Very important to understand. We have le, la, le. Now, what is le, la, le? Now, for example, we have the in English, the boy, the girl, the boys, the girls. My the is common. It could be if I'm talking for a boy, it could be I'm talking for a female, I'm talking for a plural. Say Claire. My the is the only.
Yeah.
Say Claire. Why? Why? Tell me yes or no.
Yes.
But in French, it is not like that. In French, if we have masculine the, which is le, feminine the, which is la, and plural, which is le. Le, la, le. Masculine the, which is le, feminine the, which is la, and plural, which is le. Say Claire. Why? Is it clear to you?
Okay.
So basically,
Yes.
this is my articles in this French language. Le, la, le. Now, for
Le.
example, we have a and n, you know, and some of every term we have a, you know, in English, a and. What is this? La, la, le, we called as definite articles, you know, the is a definite article. Why? But
Yeah.
a and some, we have indefinite articles. So, répétez après moi, un, une,
Un,
des. Répétez
une,
après moi, un,
des.
une, des. Répétez après moi,
Un, une,
le,
des.
la, les. Repeat it, please. Le,
La,
la,
la, le.
les. Un, une, des.
Un, une, des.
Now, if my a is male, we have un. If my a is female, we have un. Male un, female un, and with some people, we are not sure for a quantity, some eggs, some vegetables. I will say they. Say Claire. Say Claire. Now, repte après moi. In French, we have three types of articles: le, la, les. Claire.
La, la, la,
Un,
les.
une, des.
Un et un des.
C'est clair. Why?
Yeah.
Tell me yes or no.
Okay.
Why?
Yes.
Now, for example, let's move to a preposition pattern. What you say in, at, and to. So basically, we call this are. In, at, and to, we call this are. We have a symbol like graph. Say Claire. That symbol
Okay.
we call as in, at, and to. Say Claire. Why? Now you use the term to the garden, to the city, anything.
Yes.
You use the term to the, right? Now, it can be, there can be a three type of to the. There can be a three type of to the. How?
Three types of to the.
Why to the three type? A plus la can be with male. A plus la can be with my female. Why? Because to the can be three, right? A will be same,
Plural.
but it can be la, la, le. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no. Why?
Yes.
So it can be a plus la, it can be a plus la, it can be a plus le. Claire. Now one thing we have to understand: a plus la never exists in French. Mademoiselle et monsieur. A plus le. Swan, is it clear to you?
Yes, yes.
A plus le is never exist in French. So where you have a plus le, like we said, to the, and the is my male, right? So that a plus le is converted into AUO. That's a rule of the French language. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
I will give you a lot of examples. The moment we'll do the sentence making. So it is just you have to understand. Chu, a, the can be la, la, le, Claire. So a plus la is equal to O. A plus la, yes, it is exists in French. So I can say ala. A plus la, I can say ala. But I cannot say a la. No, no. Where we have a plus la conjugation, that will convert it into AU. Oh, say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Oh.
Why? Why? Is
Yes.
it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So A plus la is ala and A plus le. A plus le never exists in French. So that A plus le is converted into AUX. AUX. Say Claire. Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
So A plus le is converted into AUX. Is it clear to you? Tell me.
Yeah.
So repeat after me, mademoiselle
Yes.
et monsieur. A, le is a formula of O, Claire. So where
O.
there could be a O, you will see, you will find out in the back end we have formula of a, le, Claire. Ala is, yes, ala only. Why? Say Claire.
Ala.
And A plus le is my O,
Ale.
AUX. Say Claire. Why?
Oh.
Mhm.
Is it clear? Tell me yes or no. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Why? Ask Japa Fasila Tableau, may I rub the whiteboard? Tell me yes or
Yeah.
no.
Yes.
Now, the same we have of and from. Because we are doing some preposition now. Of and from we called as the. Class. Of and from we called as the.
The.
Class. Why? Is it clear to you? Why?
Yes.
Yes.
And if you think, Monsieur and Mademoiselle, the session is getting heavy, please tell me. Say Claire.
No, sir.
Why? So, now if I will say of the, now we have three types of the plus la. Why? The plus la, Claire, and the plus le, Claire. Now the plus la is equal to 2. Yes. The plus la formula is due. Say Claire,
Due.
why? The plus la is the la only, like a plus la o au, and the plus la is due. Say Claire, tell me yes or no. You say a lot of things you do
Yes.
of the Claire in English, en anglais. The same we have in French also, but we have the plus la is equal to due, the plus la is equal to de la, and the plus la is equal to de. Say Claire, why?
Yes.
Is it clear to you? Now for this
Yes.
reason, I'm saying la fête de la musique. La fête de la musique. It means the festival of the music, festival of the music. Now over here of the music. So la musique, we have a feminine music, feminine. So la fête de la of the. Say Claire, tell me yes and no. Why? You tell me. La fête de la musique. Vous comprenez la fête de la musique? Pourquoi de la? Of the. Music is my feminine. Music. So de la musique. Say of the. Say Claire. Why?
Yes.
Gurpreet and Tanya and Samar, Nami, why?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Claire, is it clear to you? But the problem, because we have a session which we are giving you, we are trying our best when we can give you the entire recording, but anyhow, some extent there can be a 1 and 2 recording that can be missed out because it's very hard to keep, the recordings of this session. But yes, we're trying our best. So, but I will share today's recording because I'm saving all this recording with me now. Claire. So you have to go with your recordings. The moment you will practice your session, say Claire, tell me yes and no. Why?
Yes.
Now, répétez après moi. Mon rêve. Again, my dream. Mon rêve, my dream. Ma passion, répétez après moi. Ma passion, c'est le cyclisme. Le cyclisme. Ma passion, c'est le cyclisme. Mon rêve, c'est de voir les coureurs, very important, les coureurs du Tour. Quand, I will explain your entire thing. Quand ils arrivent sur les Champs-Élysées. Very important. Now, what is this? Very important. Okay, my dreams. I'm asking your dreams. Say Claire. And he's saying, my dream. Mon rêve. Say Claire. My dream is what? My passion is cycling. Ma passion, c'est le cyclisme. Ma passion, mon rêve. My dream. Ma passion, my passion. C'est Claire. Ma passion, c'est le cyclisme. My passion is cycling. Now, earlier he's saying, je rêve d'aller à Paris pour la fête de la musique. But over here, c'est la personne qui dit, Ma passion, c'est le cyclisme. My dream is my passion. My passion is my cycling. Mon rêve, my dream, c'est de voir, is to see les coureurs, the riders. You know riders, जो ride करते हैं. Coureurs, riders. Mon rêve, c'est de voir. My dream is to see, voir. Have you done voir conjugation? Have you done voir verb?
Yes. To see.
Yes. He's saying, mon rêve, c'est de voir les coureurs du Tour. It means, he's saying, my dream to see the riders of the Tour. So, repete après moi. This is like why I'm giving you these type of terms. So that at least you come to know coureur, concours, je concours, c'est clair. It's a competition.
Yeah.
C'est clair. So I'm saying, mon rêve, c'est de voir les coureurs de Tour. My dream is to see the, c'est clair, the riders of the Tour. Quand, when, quand is when, quand. Quand is when, quand. Quand is basically we have when. You know when, quand. Répétez après moi, quand. Repeat it please, quand.
Con.
Quand.
Con.
C'est clair. Quand ils arrivent. So we have verb arriver. Have you done active family verb? Over here we have arriver verb. It's to arrive. Why? When
Yes.
they arrive sur le Champs-Élysées. So Champs-Élysées is very beautiful place in Paris. C'est clair. When they arrive in this place. C'est clair. It's a place name. Clair? Why? C'est clair. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Tell me yes and no. C'est clair. So isko can you please repeat this? Can you please repeat Gurpreet?
Yes. Mon rêve, ma passion, c'est le cyclisme. Mon rêve, c'est de voir les coureurs du Tour quand
Ils arrivent quand
ils arrivent
ils arrivent
sur les
Champs-Élysées.
quand ils arrivent sur les Champs-Élysées.
Champs-Élysées. C'est clair. Why? Tanya, can you please repeat it?
Mon rêve, ma passion, c'est le cyclisme. Mon rêve, c'est de voir les coureurs du Tour quand ils arrivent sur les Champs-Élysées.
C'est clair. Ils arrivent. Répétez après moi. Ils arrivent. Tanya, ils arrivent. Ils arrivent. Arrivent. Why? Have you done arrive verb? Okay, I'm giving you one task.
Yes.
Arrive is my verb, which is my active family verb. Why? Arrive is my active family verb, right? Conjugate arrive with present and past. Summer. Conjugate arrive with present and past. Okay, and send it back in my WhatsApp. Fatapat. Conjugate the verb. Fatapat.
Past, present.
Yes, conjugate arrive verb in present tense. Conjugate arrive verb in past tense, past se composé. And click the photo and send it back to me on the WhatsApp. Make it fast, please. Why Gurpreet, Tanya? Why? Amish?
Yes.
One. Vous comprenez Swan?
Yes, yes, sir.
Why? Okay, send it back to me. très bien, ami. C'est très... Summer, très bien, but एक हल्का सा mistake हो गया. Arrive is SV family verb. So in SV family, we use the conjugation of je suis. Je is my our family. Say Clive Summer. So we,
Arrive is, it means like to warm or?
je suis arrivé. Je suis.
No, like what it mean? Arrive?
Arrive is to arrive.
To arrive. Okay, I misunderstand that word.
Why? Say très
Okay.
bien. Say
Yes.
très bien. Why? Okay.
Yes.
What did you send?
Just 1 minute. I'm just clicking.
Okay. Tanya?
Yeah, just 1 minute.
All right, sure. Don't say très bien. C'est très bien. C'est très bien, Tanya. Why? Okay, all right. So now I will give you some expressions. Now, repete après moi, expressions. I will give you some expressions like comment on peut utiliser les phrases. C'est clair, le thème. Comment on explique. Repete après moi, expression, expression, une passion. Expression, une passion. Whenever exprimer, okay, I can say exprimer aussi. C'est l'expression, exprimer une passion. If you want to explain your passion, so you have to use your, if I say I have a passion, j'ai une passion, I have a passion for quelque chose, j'ai une passion, répète après moi, j'ai une passion, répète après moi, j'ai une passion, ma passion, répète après moi, ma passion, c'est
Ma passion,
c'est le cyclisme. Anything? Le cyclisme. Why? J'ai une passion. Ma passion, c'est le cyclisme. J'adore. Have you done j'adore? J'adore. We have verb adore. Have you done adore?
Adore.
I love this. Now, for example, you say, I love. J'adore. This is your exprimer une passion. To express your passion. C'est clair. J'ai une passion. Ma passion, c'est le cyclisme. J'adore le cyclisme, par exemple. C'est clair. J'adore. Say, tell me yes and no. Why?
We use une for passion as a feminine.
Yes, exactly. I have a passion. So that is une. But ma passion. Passion, passion is my feminine. Why? Say, Claire.
Okay, how we come to know that which is feminine and
That's
which is
very good
masculine, like
question.
passion?
Exactly. Very good question. Now you tell me. You know Hindi, mademoiselle?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, what is your city name in India?
Barnala.
बरनाला. बरनाला बहुत अच्छी शहर है. And I will say बरनाला बहुत अच्छा सिटी, अच्छा शहर है बरनाला. You tell me what is this? अच्छा और अच्छी.
For city we say अच्छी.
अच्छी. But I can say अम्बाला
और
बहुत.
अगर हम शहर बोलते तो हम शहर बोलते, हम बोलते कि बहुत अच्छा शहर है.
No. बहुत अच्छा शहर है, right? But I am a Russian guy, for example, right?
Okay.
And you have to explain me Hindi. Why? Okay.
Yeah.
And I will say, मैडम बरनाला बहुत अच्छी शहर है. आप बोलोगे नहीं, बरनाला बहुत अच्छा शहर है. Why? Okay, you will say no, शहर for शहर we have अच्छा. Okay. अच्छा. But what about for अम्बाला? अम्बाला बहुत अच्छी शहर. दिल्ली बहुत अच्छा शहर है. दिल्ली बहुत अच्छी है. But दिल्ली we use feminine.
Yes.
So you know what? This is very good question. Like ये होता है. That happens because you are learning the language. You know what, mademoiselle? Language may they have their senses. Now slowly and gradually, the moment will pick up the pattern. You will come to know. Oh, that's fine. This is more passive, not more passive, because there is no sense of learning. To be honest, it is the moment we'll do passive, and we'll do a lot of things in passion. You'll say, okay, passion is my feminine. Glad. Now, for example, if I will say, मेरी घर बहुत अच्छी है. अब बोलोगे हेलो मैच. हिंदी सही कर अपनी. बोलोगे आप why? मेरी घर अच्छी है.
मेरा घर बहुत अच्छा है.
I will, if I ask the question, how I will come to know? आप बोलोगे यार, because it is about the senses of the language. Say Claire. Say what is songs, the what is long. Say Claire. Why? So for this reason, passion is my feminine. I will say j'ai une passion. Ma passion c'est le cyclisme. Say Claire. Why?
Yes.
1 second, please. 1 second, yeah. Okay, all right. Say Claire. Why? Now, exprimer en rêve. Exprimer en rêve. Exprimer, explain, express your dream. I will say j'ai un rêve. I cannot say j'ai une rêve. I will say j'ai un rêve. Why? Because dream is my masculine in French. Say Claire. Passion is my feminine in French, and rêve is my masculine in French. For this reason, I'm using mon rêve, my dream. My dream. Say Claire. If I will say my passion, that is ma passion. Say Claire. Why? Have you done mo, ma, me, ton, ta, te? Tell me yes and no.
No.
Okay. All right, I will explain to you now. Now repte après moi. Repeat it please. Mo. It is just you have to repeat after me. Only just repeat.
Yes.
I will explain to you. Repte après moi. Mo ma me.
Mo ma me.
All of you speak up please. Mo ma me. Ton tate. Repte après moi.
Ton
Ma
tate.
me. Ton tate. Son sa se. Repte après moi. Son sa se.
Son sa se.
Repte après moi. Mo ma me. Ton tate. Son sa se. Votre vo. Repte après moi.
Votre vo.
Why? It is just you have to repeat 5 times and I will explain to you what is this. Repte après moi. Notre no.
Notre no.
Why? Leur.
Le.
Leur.
Le.
Give me 2 minutes, yeah? Give me 2 minutes, please.
Yeah, sure.
Sorry. Veuillez m'excuser, s'il vous plaît. Veuillez m'excuser. Veuillez m'excuser. Extremely sorry. Okay. Now, repte après moi. Mon ma me.
Mon
Repte
me.
après moi. Mon ma me.
Mon ma me.
Now. We have my girl,
Yes.
my boy, my boys, my girls. In English, we have my is my only with my female,
Yes.
plural, and whatever could be. But in French,
Yes.
if we have masculine my, which is mo, feminine my, which is ma, and plural my, which is me. So mo, ma, me. If I will say my dream is my masculine, I will say mo ref.
Mo ref.
While say my passion
Ma
is my feminine,
passion.
ma passion. C'est clair. Why? This is we call as possessive adjectives in French. C'est clair. Why? So repte après moi, mon ma me. Repte après moi, mon ma me.
Mon ma me.
C'est clair. Ton ta te. मेरा मेरी मेरे.
Te.
Mo. देखो same in Hindi. In Hindi we have a lot of my. मेरा मेरी मेरे. Why?
Yes.
If I will say मेरी लड़का, आप बोलोगे hello. मेरी लड़की, it's not मेरी लड़का. Why? Because we have a
Yes.
feminine, masculine things in Hindi. Say along Hindi. Why? So mo ma
Yeah.
me, tera, teri, tere, ton ta te. Say clair. Why?
Yes.
Ton, tera, ta, teri, te is tere. Say clair. Why? Say clair.
Yes.
Ton, sa, se. Uska, uski, uske. Say clair.
Yes.
C'est clair. Why? Votre, वो. Votre, आपका. Votre is my same with masculine and feminine, and वो we have आपके. आपका, आपकी, आपके. But over here we have votre, वो.
Yes.
हमारा, हमारी, हमारे.
That's
That is
formal.
notre, no. C'est clair. Ers. C'est clair. Leur. It means उनका, उनकी,
Our.
के. C'est clair.
Yeah.
Right? Is it clear to you? Tell me yes and no.
Yes.
C'est clair. Why? So repte après
Yeah.
moi, mon ma me,
Mon ma
ton
me.
ta te.
Ton
C'est
ta
clair.
te.
C'est clair.
Son sa se. Votre,
Son sa
votre,
se.
vo. Yes.
C'est clair. Why?
Yes.
So repte après moi. Now, par exemple, if I will say, Mon rêve, my dream. Because we have a masculine. Why?
Yeah.
Claire. If I will say, je rêve de, I have a dream. I dream of what? Of the. I'm dreaming of. Je rêve de. Whatever you want to explain. Why? Say Claire. Say Claire. If I will say, my dream of visit Paris. Mon rêve de, my dream of. The. Have you done of and the is from, right? So mon rêve de visiter. My dream of visit Paris. Mon rêve de visiter Paris. Say Claire. Why? Say Claire. Visiter is to visit. Say Claire. Why? Vous comprenez toutes les choses?
Oui.
Why? Now, for example, I will give you something wherein it will help you out. 1 second. Now, for example, okay. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. La réservation. Repeat after me. La réservation. The reservation. Réservation. Réservation. La réservation. That is the reservation. So, reservation. La réservation. C'est clair. Répétez après moi. Réservation. The reservation. C'est clair. Now, for example, there's some announcement going on. Okay. So, because these type of announcement, it come in your TOEFL and TEF. C'est clair. Why?
Yeah.
Read after me. Réservation.
Réservation.
Pour. Répétez après moi. Réservation.
Réservation pour.
Pour 3 nuits. 3 is equal to 3. I will explain you the counting also. Don't worry. Okay? I will explain to you counting.
3
nuits. Réservation. Repeat after me. Réservation pour 3 nuits. À partir.
Reservation for 3 nights.
Yes. À partir. Répétez après moi. À partir du samedi. Du samedi. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. It is very important. Very important? Yes. Because it is something like a language. It's speaking of. Reservation for 3 nights from Saturday. À partir du